Okay. So today we are going to revise the whole. From today we will revise our math syllabus. Okay. So I am revising. I'm starting it with the chapter 1. Chapter 1 is rational number. Okay. So I think you all might have aware from these numbers. There are few numbers which are defined in your maths. Uh, that is natural number, whole number, integers, and rational numbers. Okay. So do you know what is a natural number? Of course you know. This is very simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. A natural number start from 1 to 3 up to infinity. Okay. Whole number start from
From
0.
zero.
It whole number start from 0 and it goes up to infinity. Integer start from negative. Integer include negative numbers also, positive numbers also, and 0 also. Means it means integer will include all the whole number, all the natural number plus negative numbers. Okay. Okay. So now come to the rational number. Our main focus in this chapter will be on rational number. Okay. So rational number is a number which can be written in form of p by q. Okay, where p and q will be the integer. Okay, and q should not be equal to 0. If q would be 0, the whole number would be undefined.
Undefined.
Yeah. So from this circle diagram, I can explain it that first of all, natural number came in the picture. Okay, natural number came after natural number. The whole number came. Whole number includes 0 also in the natural number. Okay, that is the whole number. After that, the integer number came. So integer number uh, include whole number as well as natural number plus few negative numbers. Okay, and then rational number came, and rational number will include the bigger circle, the bigger one, the outer one, the red circle is showing the rational number, and it will include all the integers, whole number as well as natural numbers. Okay, so for example, if I am writing 2 by 3, it is in a form of p by q, and 2 and 3 both are integers. Okay, and q is not equal to 0, so this will be a kind of rational number. Okay, so rational number are of, again they are divided into two types. Can anybody tell me uh, what are they? Rational numbers. Rational number are divided again in two type. See, rational numbers are divided into two type, that is recurring and terminating. Recurring and terminating type. Are you aware from these two terms? Are you aware?
I don't think, for me, I'm not sure.
Yes, ma'am. We are not aware.
You are not aware?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Are you aware or not? Show your raise your hand. How many of you are aware? Okay. Inaya. Inaya, no.
Yes, ma'am. So
Inaya.
basically,
Hmm.
the non-terminatings are the ones that have infinite numbers. I mean, and they don't stop.
They don't stop.
They go on.
Okay. Which number go on?
The non-terminating ones.
Non-terminating ones. Okay.
These are also known as irrational numbers, right, ma'am?
Yeah. Then
Oh, yeah, ma'am, I'm aware. It's just I didn't understand what the words mean.
Yes, ma'am.
yeah.
Non-terminating is like the term we're not aware of. We call them irrational numbers.
Okay, okay. You don't confuse with this term. Actually, we will learn that actually the rational number. First three letter is RAT. First three letter in rational number are RAT. This R means recurring type and this T means terminating type. Okay, the rational number are of two types, recurring and terminating. So recurring means those who are repeating again and again. Okay, recurring means repeating again and again. If I say, if I write any number from like 2 3, okay, it is terminating, because it is terminating after 2 point of decimal. If I am writing, if any number is 2 3 2 3 2 3, this 2 3 2 3 set is repeating, means recurring, is not ending, it's not terminating. That is also a rational number, and that rational number would be of recurring type. Okay, and this can be represent as without without writing 2 3 2 3 2 3 100 times, or we don't, I don't know, you may be 200 times, 1000 times. Okay, so that's why I'm writing bar over this 2 3 numbers, so that I can understand that this 2 3 is repeating again and again. Okay, clear? Is this clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now it is clear or not? Clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, recurring means, can anybody tell me what is the definition of recurring?
The numbers which
Just
keep on
repeating.
repeating and repeating, those are called as recurring.
Yeah, and terminating type?
It's not repeating, ma'am. But for terminating, it doesn't repeat. I think.
Yeah, very good. Wait, I have to show video panel. Okay, keep on your video. Everyone, keep your videos on. Yeah, Ananya, so that I can see the face.
The camera's
Vidyashri,
not working
on your
today.
video. Sohan Ram, on your video.
Ma'am, the camera's not working.
Okay. 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 So now these they are two type, recurring and terminating type. Okay. Now we'll take one example. Okay. Suppose children, if I am taking a 1.1023, it is of which kind of rational number?
Ma'am, I think it's a terminating.
It is of terminating type. Okay, it is terminating rational number. If my number is 101 101 101, or we can say if my number is 101 bar, then this is a kind of,
It's a recurring, ma'am.
it is a recurring type, and both are rational number. Rational
ma'am.
number is also called, rational number are also called as decimal numbers. Okay, because p by q form can be represented in a decimal numbers also. Okay, so p by q form or rational number can be represented in decimal numbers also, and decimal number are of two type, recurring and recurring and terminating type. Recurring means they keeps on repeating, they won't stop, and terminating type, it will stop at one point, there will be fixed value. Okay, now we will see, we'll move forward. Okay, now I'm giving you one question. Which of the following rational number in the standard form? Okay, now we will talk about the rational number only. Okay, so which is the which is following number which is in the standard form? The standard form means p by q form.
Ma'am, ma'am, it cannot be like more. It cannot be divided.
Ma'am,
So ma'am, like we have to take
Like
it until
it
the
cannot
last
be
one.
simplified.
Yeah.
It cannot be simplified.
In a standard form, standard form is simplified form. Standard form is simplified form. Okay, simplified form. Suppose I am taking 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 8 by 12. Okay, these all rational number are, if you see this
Ma'am,
4
the
by 6.
first one is, yes, ma'am. The first
Yeah.
one is standard form of
Yeah,
the
yeah,
second
yeah.
and third.
They all rational number are equal. They all are equal rational number. If we solve with this 4 by 6, we will get 2 by 3 only. If we solve 8 by 12, we will get 2 by 3 only.
2
Okay.
by 3.
So 2 by 3 is the standard form of rational number. Okay, or we can say it is simplified form of rational number. Now see, now look in the choice and tell me which choice is correct.
The first one, ma'am.
First one. Why?
Because it cannot be simplified
It
into any
cannot be
other form.
simplified further.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which cannot be simplified further, that will be our standard form. Okay, so this cannot be simplified further. This 26 by 78, this can be simplified.
It can be, ma'am, in two
Yeah.
tables.
It will be divisible by 2. 14 by 16, it will be divisible by
Also
2, of
in
course.
2.
48 by 96, it will be divisible by
2
2.
tables.
Correct. Now, question number second. Which of the following forms a pair of equivalent rational number? You have to find out the pair which is equivalent, which are equivalent. Simplified them.
Ma'am, the D1.
Yeah.
I think it's D, ma'am.
Which one?
D.
D1, ma'am.
B or D?
D.
D, ma'am.
D. Okay. Anyone else in favor of D? Children, please join on time. You are 20 minutes late. I won't allow from tomorrow onwards. Okay. So what will be the answer here?
D1, ma'am.
Choice D. Which choice D is correct? Anyone else
Yes,
who is in
ma'am.
favor of D? Anyone else? Nitya Shri. Nitya Shri, what is the time? What is the time of class? Nitya Shri,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the time of class?
Ma'am, I joined, ma'am. Already in the starting, I've joined, no, ma'am.
So what happened?
It disconnected by itself. That's the reason I had to rejoin.
Okay, okay. Now tell me, Nitya Shri, what will be the correct choice here? Which of the following forms
One
a
second.
pair of equivalent rational number? Equivalent rational number. They all are rational number. Find out which pair is equivalent.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
Yeah. Rest of you, please solve it.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah.
Um,
Shaman.
Ma'am, the last option, 9 by 72 and 3 by 21.
Are they equivalent?
Yes, ma'am. No,
How?
ma'am. No. Ma'am, symbols. Yes, ma'am.
How they are equivalent?
Oh, yes, ma'am. The symbols.
Symbol?
Ma'am, one is in negative, one is in positive.
Yeah. One is negative, one is.
D1.
So positive is equal to negative. They are equal.
No,
They will
ma'am.
not be equal. So D is not a correct choice.
Ma'am, the C1, ma'am.
C1, how? C1 minus 8 by 15. And
ma'am, we get
if can we simplify it further? This 24 by 48.
No, ma'am.
25 by.
yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
A1,
Yeah.
ma'am.
You can solve it
12
Two
and
table also.
from two table. Okay. From
12.
two table, it would be 12 divided by 24. Now again, you can cancel it.
1 by 2.
Table 6 by
Ma'am,
12.
with 12 table, we can directly do it, no, ma'am.
Yeah, but someone is saying from 2. That's why I have did from 2.
Ma'am, the B1, yes, ma'am, the B1.
B1.
Ma'am, because A will also not come,
Yes,
so only
ma'am.
B is.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am,
Yeah,
B1,
yeah.
ma'am.
B is the correct option. B is the correct option. Actually, wait. I'm getting call. Hello. Yes. Yeah. Sirisha ma'am. Yeah. Tell me. Yeah. So the correct choice is
B, ma'am.
B. Because here I'm getting 5 by 7, and second rational number is also 5 by minus 5 by 7. They both are equivalents. That's why B is the correct choice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to the next question. If the product of two number is minus 20 by 9, and if one of the number is 4, find out the other number. Do it. Try, all the students, please try it. And who cannot able to find it, let me know. Anyone got? Yeah. Bhavya, tell me.
1 minute.
Ma'am, option A.
Option A is correct. According to Bhavya, option A is correct. Anyone else who is in favor of this option?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I'm doing.
Yeah. Do it fast. The other number is not given. So assume the other number is X. Then do it. Who got the answer?
Yes, ma'am, the first one.
Harshita. First one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else who is getting answer other than A? Yes or no? Tell me fast. Yeah, Sohan Ram.
I'm still trying to do it, ma'am.
Yeah, do it. Why are you taking too much time? It's a 2-minute question. Even not 2 minutes, 1 minute you can solve it. Hello? Ma'am, that student have joined. That student have joined. I have posted link. Okay. Yeah. Tell me. If the one number is here in these type of questions, if they ask for the other number, assume that other number is X. Okay. And one of the number is 4. And their multiplication product means multiplication of these two numbers is 20 by minus 20 by 9. So I'm assuming my first number is X and the 4 is already given, the other number is given, and their product means their multiplication is equal to minus 20 by 9. Now find out the value of X.
The 4 will go to that side,
Yeah,
so it
4
will
go to
divide.
the denominator side. This 4 will
Yes, ma'am.
go here.
So we should take reciprocal.
Yeah, take the reciprocal and you will get the x. 9 into 4, it would be 36. Okay, so 20 by 36, can we simplify it? Can we simplify it by
Ma'am, or else we can directly do this, no? 4 ones are 4 5 are.
yeah, from the from the 4 table also we can cut. Okay, so 4 5s are 20 and 4 9s are 36. Okay, so this is the correct answer. A is the correct choice. Okay, any doubt in this question?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
No? Okay. Sohan Ram, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to the properties of rational number. Properties of rational number. Okay, we'll see few properties of rational numbers. First property is closure property. What is the closure property? Closure property is that if we perform any operation on the same type of number, the result will be same. Suppose if we are
The result will also be a rational number.
yeah, the result will also be a rational number. Suppose I am taking two rational number p and q and I am adding p and q, the result would be rational number. The result would be rational number only. Okay, p and q are rational number, not the integer. Don't confuse with p and q. P and q are rational number.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so suppose I am taking p as 1 by 2 and q as 1 by 3. So what will be the addition? What will be the result after addition? The result would be 5 by 6. Are you able to solve this addition in a rational number?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take the LCM and then solve it. You will get 5 by 6. Okay, so 5 by 6 is also a rational number.
Rational number.
It means if you will add two rational number, you will get rational number in the result. Okay, now if you will subtract two number, check it, are you getting the rational number?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Yes or no? If you will subtract 1 by 3 from 1 by 2 in subtraction, are you getting?
No, ma'am, we will not get.
Why we will not get? We are getting now. We'll get 1 by 6. That is a rational number or not?
Yes, ma'am.
It is a rational number. If we subtract one rational number from the other, I will get the rational number only. Where is the confusion? Okay, so it means I can say that rational number is close under addition, it is close under subtraction. Okay. Okay, you might have seen this thing. This is for whole number. Okay, I am talking about rational number only. It is close under subtraction. It is close under addition. Correct? Now you check this is close under multiplication or not. Let's
Yes,
take one
ma'am, it's
example.
closed.
I am taking 4 by 5 rational number and minus 6 by 11. Multiply two rational number. Are you getting rational number or not? Tell me.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, we
ma'am.
are getting.
You will get rational number only. Okay, plus or minus?
Plus, ma'am.
Plus only, because the minus would get cancelled. Okay, this will get cancelled and you will get positive 2 by 24 by 55. That is also a rational number. It means I can say a rational number is close under multiplication, or it will satisfy the closure property in the multiplication process. Okay, now we will check it is close for the division or not. For that, I will take two rational number and I will divide them, and I will check whether I am getting the rational number or not. Okay, so divide two rational number. If I am giving you
It is not closed, ma'am.
If I am giving you 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, yeah, check it.
It's not closed.
It is not close. Why?
You
1 by
cannot.
2, 1 by 3, 1 by 2.
Ma'am, this one is closed, ma'am.
This one is closed. But
But if we have 0 in the queue, it is undefined.
yeah, 0 is also a rational number. Do you know 0 is also a rational number because 0 can be
Yes, ma'am.
represented. 0 can be represented in a P by Q.
0 by 1.
0 by 1. 0 is also a rational number, but 1 by 0 is not a rational number. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it's undefined.
1 by 0 is undefined, but 0 by 1 is a rational number. Okay. So if we divide any number like 1 by 2 by 0 by 1, if we divide, then what will happen? This 1 by 2 divided
It's
by
undefined.
it will be undefined. So I can say for 0, since for 0 it is not satisfying this property, it means we can conclude that for division process this property
not
is
closed.
not closed. Okay. So it is closed for addition, subtraction, multiplication. It is not closed for division. Okay. Now this is your homework. Note down. You have to check the same closure property for the whole number and integers. Can you do it yourself?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Can you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
So note
ma'am.
down this homework. Check the closure property for whole number and integers. Okay. Now come to the next property, that is commutative property. Okay. What do you mean by commutative? What is the meaning of commutative? Commutative means exchange.
Like the numbers are same, but they will go like they'll exchange, ma'am. Here to there, there to
If
here.
I have one number P and Q, I am adding these two rational numbers. Okay. If now I am changing their position, I am they are changing their position. I am writing Q plus P. The result would be same. If you add either P plus Q or Q plus P, the result would be same. It means P and Q follow the commutative property. P and Q follows
Yes.
the commutative property. Okay. So for rational number, we will check the commutative property for addition, for subtraction, for multiplication, and for division. For all the operation, we will check the rational number are commutative or not. Okay. So let's take first example. I am giving you add minus 4 by, okay, we'll take simple example. Okay. If I say my first number is 1 by 2 and second is 1 by 3. Okay. So now tell me this number,
Yes, ma'am.
this
It can
number,
be done. It's close.
it is commutative or not?
It's
For addition,
commutative, ma'am.
it's commutative because 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 would be same as 1
Is
by 2
equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2.
by 2. Okay. Now check it for subtraction. Now find it for the
No, ma'am. It can't be done for
it
subtraction.
can't be done for the subtraction because if I
Yes, ma'am.
subtract 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, it would not be same as 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. If I solve
Yes, ma'am.
it, I will get minus 1 by 6. If I solve this, I will get 1 by 6. So are they same? Are they equal? No.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So we can say for subtraction, commutative property will not be satisfied. Okay. Now check for the multiplication. P into Q is equal to Q into P. It is same
It's
or not?
satisfied, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, it's
If
satisfied.
I multiply 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, will it be same for 1 by 3 into 1 by 2? Yeah, it is 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It will satisfy for the multiplication. Now for the division. For the division,
Division, no, ma'am. It cannot be satisfied.
it will not satisfy. Why?
Because suppose 0 divided by 1 by 2 is 0, whereas 1 by 2 divided by 0 is undefined.
Here division, my p is 1, p is 1 by 2, q is 1 by 3. Okay, will it be same as 1 by 3, 1 by 2?
No, ma'am.
This will not be same, because
Yes, ma'am, it will
here
not
I
be
will
same.
get 3 by 2, here I will get 2 by 3.
2 by 3.
Okay, and they are not equal. So I can say that this property is not satisfied for division. So it is satisfied for addition and multiplication. It won't be satisfied for
Division and subtraction.
division. So the question may come. The question may come as a bit question may come that they will give and they can ask like they can give this equation. They can give this equation and they can ask find out whether it will satisfy the commutative property or not. So what will be your answer?
Ma'am, what equation? I'm not
This
able to see the equation.
Wait. If I ask, okay, I have taken, see, if I say that this is my number, okay, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, will it satisfy
No, ma'am, it will not satisfy.
the closure property? Sorry, commutative property?
No, ma'am, it will not.
It will not satisfy the commutative property. Okay. Okay. Now note down the homework. You have to check the same property for the whole number and integers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. For the whole number and integers. Okay. Now come to the next property, that is associative property. What do you mean by associative? Associate.
There are three terms in it, ma'am.
The 3 terms are there. Okay. Means associative means
Like there will be three terms, and they will be shifting in brackets and outside the brackets.
yeah. So the basic thing is what we are doing over here, that we are doing grouping, association. If somebody is making association means somebody is making grouping. Okay. If there is a association, Reliance is a association, means there are a lot of groups in that company that are working in a group. Okay. So the basically the thing is that our concern is about group. Associative means grouping. We can say grouping. Okay. Remember the term grouping. See here. Additive. Now we will see one by one. We will see for the addition. For the addition, the integer satisfy the associative property or not. Okay, wait. We will check it. Okay. For addition, if I give you,
Ma'am, is this for rational numbers?
yeah, this is for rational number only. Suppose I am having 3 numbers, p plus q plus r. I am doing addition of these 3 numbers. Okay. And I am I have done grouping for q plus r. Okay, I have done grouping for q plus r means I will add q and r, then I will add the result with p. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it is satisfied.
That should be equal to this condition. Then we can say
Yes, ma'am, it's equal.
it will satisfy the associative property. Means here we are grouping, we are changing the grouping. Even if we change the group, the property should be satisfied. Even we are changing the group, the property should be satisfied. Then we can say that the rational number is satisfying this property. Okay. Now take p as 1 by 2, q as 1 by 3, and r as 1 by 4. Now perform it. let me know that whether these numbers satisfy this
It
property.
satisfies, ma'am.
Okay, rest of you, for rest of the people, what are you doing? Sohan Ram,
Yes, ma'am.
is this property satisfied?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Well, because first of all, you have to solve those in the brackets.
Yeah.
Then you have to do the other ones,
Okay.
and in the end, you'll get the same answers.
You will get the same answer. So are you getting the same answer or not?
Ma'am, I am getting the same, ma'am.
Okay, you are getting the same. Rest of the students,
Yes, ma'am, it's same.
it's same. Okay. Anyone else who is getting the same answer? Who is getting the same result? Anyone else? Please solve it.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting the same?
Yes, ma'am.
You are getting the same result. It means the addition is
It
satisfied.
is satisfied in addition.
It is satisfied or it is true for the addition. The associative property is true for the addition.
Addition.
Okay. This is for addition. So this associative property is true for the addition. Okay. Now find it for the subtraction. P minus Q minus R, whether they are equal or not. Take the same value of PQR. Do it fast. Are you getting both side equal? Both side are equal or not?
No, ma'am, it's not equal.
Not equal?
No, ma'am.
Manideep, tell me. What are you getting? What is your result? Manideep?
No, ma'am, it's not equal.
Manideep, are you there? Unmute yourself first, then tell me. Manideep. Okay, I will note down your name. I will report to your parents that you are not in a class. Okay. Rest of Divyesh. 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 Divyesh, are you there? Inaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Are you getting the result?
Ma'am, the question is kind of hard for me, so it's taking a little time.
Yeah. Take your time and let me know.
Enter, ma'am.
Tanvi. Tanvi, unmute yourself. Tell me. Tanvi is not responding. Manideep is not responding. Divyesh is not responding. Sohan Ram still doing?
Oh, yes, ma'am. I just want to check if it's correct.
Shamant?
I mean,
Shamant, what happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Are you getting the result?
Yes, ma'am, it's not similar.
It's not similar. So what is the value in the right hand side?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Let me open that page, ma'am. I just switched it.
Yeah, do it.
Ma'am, I didn't read the whole thing, but it's not equal because in the middle it was coming different.
No, you can't say directly. You have to solve. Do it fast, children. Ananya,
Yes, ma'am.
are you getting the answer?
Doing, ma'am.
Okay, still doing. Manideep, not responding. Left. Divyesh, left. Tanvi, left.
Ma'am, can I?
Who are you?
Harshita.
Harshita, yeah, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I did it with 1/7 minus 3/7 in brackets and minus 5/7 in like without bracket.
P by?
Ma'am, what?
Okay. Yeah. So what are you getting in the right hand side?
Yes, ma'am. That is equals to -1.
-1.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
right hand side.
And I,
And left hand side?
yes, ma'am. It's getting 3/7.
3/7. So this is 3/7 and this is -1, which is not equal. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can say this subtraction is not satisfying associative property. Okay. This will not satisfy the associative property. Okay. Now we will do it for the multiplication. So the same number of, take the same value of PQR and check it for the multiplication. For the multiplication, the property will be P into Q into R, P into Q into R. Okay. You have changed this grouping. First, you are doing the grouping of Q and R. In the right hand side, you have changed the grouping, and now you are watching the result. Okay. So even if you are changing the grouping, the result should not change. If the result will not change, it means it will satisfy the associative property. Now take the value of PQR and find out. All children, please do it fast.
Ma'am, can I say?
P is 1/2. P is 1/2.
Ma'am, actually, I did with another example.
Okay, no problem. Q R 1/4. Okay. Yeah, tell me, it is satisfying?
Yes, ma'am, it's satisfying.
It's satisfying. Okay. Now, if you have done this multiplication property, now check it for the division. Is this true for division or not? Or division is satisfying this associative property or not?
No, ma'am, it's not satisfying.
Okay, take the example.
Yes, ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. Rest of you. Nitya Shri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You are doing.
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Yeah. Divyesh. Shamant.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm doing, ma'am. 1 minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I say?
Who are you?
Harshita.
Harshita. Yeah, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I took 1 divided by 2 in brackets
Okay.
and divided by 3 in like other, not in brackets.
Okay.
So I got the answer 1/6.
1/6.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. And the other one I did 1 divided in brackets 2 divided by 3.
Okay.
So I got the answer 3/2.
Okay. Did you follow this equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you are getting both the results same or not?
No, ma'am, not
No, ma'am.
same. So it
It
is
means
not satisfied.
it means
And the association of rational numbers is not satisfied
satisfy
under
for
division.
the division. Okay. Correct. Very good. Now Sohan Ram.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Where are you? In the multiplication or division?
Division, ma'am.
Okay. So it is under associative property or not? So multiplication done.
Multiplication is done, ma'am.
Okay. So what you got?
For the answer I got is 1 by 27, 24, 24, sorry.
So final result, they are same or not?
Yes, ma'am.
They are same.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Both are same.
It means
In 1 by 24, I got answer both are same, so it is correct, and
so it is correct. Correct means
it's like it's
it is
I
satisfying.
yes, ma'am. You're satisfying.
Which property?
Multiplication property, ma'am.
Not multiplication.
Associative.
Associative property for
Multiplication.
okay. So multiply is true. Multiplication is true under associative property. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now check it for the division. Do it fast. Shamant,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, tell me.
I didn't understood what.
You didn't understood. Where are you?
No, ma'am, you were like, yeah, tell me. I didn't understood what should I say.
I am saying that I have given PQR.
Yes, ma'am.
Just put the value of PQR and see the result. Whether this our LHS side and RHS side are equal or not.
No, ma'am, it's not equal.
It's not equal. In the multiplication or division?
Ma'am, in the division.
In the division, it is not equal. In the multiplication,
Ma'am, it's equal.
it's equal. Equal means the result is same.
Yes,
So we can
ma'am.
conclude that it satisfy the multiplication satisfy the associative property, but division will not satisfy the associative.
Yes, ma'am. It will satisfy.
Division will not satisfy the associative. You are not getting the same.
Yes, ma'am. We're not getting the same answer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why division is not satisfying the associative property. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now this is note down your homework. All of you note down your homework. As a homework, you have to check the same property, associative property for the integers and the whole number. Okay. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Take
Ma'am, can you say again?
as a homework, do check the same property for all the operation for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division for the integer number and for the whole number. This we have checked for the rational number. Now as a homework, you have to check the same property for all the operation for the integers and whole number. Okay, got it? Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am, can you repeat again?
As a homework, you have to check whether this associative property is true for integer numbers or not. It is true for the whole number or not. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will go next. Actually, this is your revision class. Okay. So I cannot teach you everything in detail. Okay. I will try to solve more number of questions of different pattern in this class, so that if any question will come in the paper, you will be able to solve it. Okay, to get good score. So now using appropriate property. Okay, I am giving you question. Okay, based on this property, let solve few questions. My first question is, using appropriate properties, find out this result of this number, result of this operation, what will be the result? Don't solve it directly, use property and then find it. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So which property
Yes.
will be used? Which property will be used over here? Commutative or associative? We have seen these two types of property. Which property will be used to solve this? Which property will be used?
Ma'am, maybe commutative.
Maybe commutative. Yeah. So how will you solve it? Use the commutative property and solve. Find out the result. Can you see here? In this term and in this term, which number is common? Which number is
Ma'am,
common?
3 by 5.
3 by 5 is common. Okay.
But it's minus 3 by 5, right? Here.
Yeah. Then in this first and second term, 3 by 5 or you can say minus 3 by 5 is common. If I will take minus 3 by 5 as common, you will left with 2 by 3 and
5 by 2.
1 by 6. I am not considering
Yes,
this
ma'am.
5 by 2. In
Why,
this
ma'am?
second term,
Okay, okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
in the second term,
Yes, ma'am.
1 by 6
1 by
will
6.
be left. Okay. And write this 5 by 2 as it is. Okay. So I have used commutative property. I have used commutative property. Commutative property. Okay. Now I will use associative property, because here we have done grouping. Okay. Grouping means which property will be applicable? Associative property. Now use the associative property and solve it. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 would be? What will you get?
4 by 6 plus 1, 6 by 6.
The LCM would be 6. Divide this 3 by
4 by 6.
you will
So,
get 2
4 by
multiplied
6 plus 6.
4 plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this 3 by 5. 4 plus 5 would
Ma'am, the 1 should also change, right? Okay, okay. I got it. Nothing.
okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
see, they are in multiplication. This 5 would cancel out, and you can
Yes, ma'am.
cancel this
3 ones are 3 twos are.
3 2s are 6. So you will have minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Okay. Now solve it.
4 by 2.
4 by 2. That is
So 2.
2. Okay. So your result would be 2.
2.
So which property has been used?
Both commutative and associative.
Associative. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
For Manideep? He is sleeping.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Manideep, clear? Ananya,
Here, ma'am.
clear? Those who are not getting, please raise your hand.
Ma'am, it's clear.
It's clear. Those who are not understanding, please raise your hand. Okay, it is clear for everyone, I hope. Okay, next. The role of 0. Next property is role of 0. See, what is the role of 0? If we add 0 with anyone, does it value will change?
No, ma'am.
No, its value will not change. Suppose you have 2 chocolate or 3 chocolate or 5 chocolate. If I add 0 in that chocolate, the number of chocolate will change?
No, ma'am.
No.
It will not
If
change.
you have 1 cake or 2 cake, if you have 10 number of cupcakes, if I add 0 in that cupcake, the number will change?
No, ma'am.
No,
No.
it will not
So
change.
we can say if we add 0 in anything, in any rational number, the number will remain same. Okay, the number will remain same. Either we add 0 in the whole number, the number will remain same. Either we add 0 in the integer, the number would remain same. Either we add 0 in the rational number, the number will remain same. Means wherever you want to add 0, you add it, the number will not change. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
0, this is the role of 0. Okay, so this property is known as additive identity. Additive identity. Okay. This is the additive identity. So in question it may be asked that what is the additive identity of 1 by 2? Tell me.
1 by 2.
Additive identity. What
0.
can be added
0,
by
0.
2 so that its value
0,
will
0,
remain-
0. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so
0.
0 will be the additive identity for 1 by 2. Okay. Okay, next. Role of, what will be the additive identity of minus 4 by 5? Tell me.
0.
0.
0. For every rational number, the additive identity will be 0.
0.
Okay. So role of 1 in numbers. Okay. Now what is the role of one number? Role of number 1,
It's multiplicative identity.
Multiplicative identity.
multiplicative identity. If I have any rational number C, if I multiply this rational number by 1,
C.
the result will be C only.
C.
Okay, the result will change or not? It will remain
No,
same.
ma'am.
It will remain same. That's why this 1 is the multiplicative identity for rational number. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if I give you 2 by 5, if number is 2 by 5, find out its multiplicative identity.
0,
One.
ma'am. 0 is the answer. 0 is the
One,
multiplicative identity.
No, no, no.
1, ma'am.
Yeah. Who is saying 0?
1, ma'am.
Yeah, it is 1. If I will multiply anything by 0, the whole result will become 0.
Okay.
Okay, 0 can be added, 0 cannot be multiplied.
Yes.
You will multiply 1000 number with 0, you will get
Result is 0.
The result would be 0. Okay, so if you multiply this 2 by 5 with 1, you will get the same result. It means 1 is the multiplicative identity of this number. Okay, now come to the next number, additive inverse. Okay, additive inverse. So what do you mean by additive inverse? Additive inverse is the property in which
It's reciprocal, ma'am.
it's not reciprocal, it is inverse.
Reciprocal of symbols.
Yeah, reciprocal of symbol. So reciprocal or inverse is same?
No, ma'am.
How?
Because reciprocal means the number will change.
Reciprocal. What will be the reciprocal of 1 by 2?
The 2.
Reciprocal of 1 by 2 will be 2.
2.
And inverse of 1 by 2 will be
Minus 1 by 2.
minus 1 by 2. That is the difference.
Minus 1 by
Inverse. Don't mix the term reciprocal and inverse. They both are having different meaning. Okay, inverse means
Okay, ma'am.
only opposite sign, and reciprocal means the number is
The number is
Invert.
like yes, ma'am.
reciprocated. Okay, so additive inverse. Let's suppose if I say my number is 3/4, what will be the additive inverse for this 3/4?
3/4 itself, ma'am.
3/4. Okay, 3/4 itself. If I add,
No, ma'am.
if I
Zero.
add
ma'am.
3/4 to 3/4,
Zero,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. 0.
0 is the additive identity, not additive inverse. You have to find out the additive inverse.
Minus 3/4.
Minus 3/4. That's it. That is the answer. Correct. So additive inverse means the negative of that number which we add with the original number, the result would be, it give the result 0. That will be the additive identity. Okay. What will be the additive identity? Additive inverse for minus 10/5. Find out
10/5.
additive inverse of 10 minus 10/5.
10/5.
It would be plus
10.
10/5.
10.
Add with additive inverse of 7/2.
Minus 7/2.
Minus 7/2.
Minus 7/2. Okay, Sohan Ram, are you getting or not? Are you getting it? Where is Sohan Ram?
He's not there, ma'am.
He's not there. Okay. Okay, I think time is up, right? Okay. I will see you to day after tomorrow. We are having a class on alternate days. Okay. So till now, is there any doubt for anyone?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
Clear for all?
No doubt.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Do
Clear.
some practice. I will upload a worksheet for this chapter. Okay. Try to solve this few questions. And if you find any problem, we will discuss in the next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Revise all these topics: inverse, what is the inverse, what is the reciprocal, what is the additive inverse, what is the additive identity. Okay, revise these topics. Okay, bye, see you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.